reception and welcome to day 4 of our phonics phase 3, and today we're going to be learning the sound O. Right, so you will need a piece of paper or a pen and a pencil. So make sure you're doing good sitting, good looking and good listening. Right, join in with me with your ABC song. 3, 2, 1. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, and V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC, 26 letters from A to Z. Now remember children, please sing it and look at each letter, okay? I don't want you rushing it because you need to make sure that you know what them letters look like, okay? So you can say it with me now. Are you ready? Let's have a look. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Well done. Now remember, let's join in with our sounds, our previous sounds that we already know, and some of them are missing because I've taken them off, but you will find them in our daily practice on our website. Are we ready to say these sounds? 3, 2, 1. G, K, H, K, R, O, L, L, F, S, J, V, W, X, Y, Z, Z, Q, Ch, Sh, F, N, A, E, I, O, U, O, R. And our high frequency words. Are you ready to join in? 3, 2, 1. Will, that, this, then, them, with, see, for, now, down, look, to, with, her. Now remember children, it's not a race to read them all quickly. You need to make sure that you can read them words. So if I was to say to you, if you look at my computer, if I was to say to you, what does this word say? You will be able to say it's the word with. If I said, what's this word? You would be able to say the word to. Okay, see if you can practice spelling them as well. You can pause the video or you can practice them later. Now let's go on to doing our oral blending and segmenting. So I say foal and you say f-o-l, foal. You say foal and I say f-o-l, foal. I say sheep and you say sh-e-p, sheep. I say sheep and you say sh-e-p, sheep. You say sheep and I say sh-e-p, sheep. I say rain and you say r-a-n, rain. You say rain and I say r-a-n, rain. I say light and you say l-i-t, light. You say light and I say l-i-t, light. Can you find the digraphs in them words? And can you find the trigraph in one of them words? So there's a trigraph. You see it? There. And then the digraphs, O, E, Sh, and A. Well done. Let's read our tricky words. 3, 2, 1. The, to, I, go, into, no, he, she, we, me, be, was, you, they, all, are, my. Well done. So you're going to need your piece of paper and a pen or a pencil because it's our speedy right now. Are we ready? So can you write me the word then? Then. You ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So the first sound is a the And then the next sound's an E. And then the final sound's an N. Can you see how I'm writing my letters, children? All my letters are on the line. So when we sound talk it, it's th, n, then. Right, the next word I would like you to write is the word that. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, that. So the first sound, th, a, and a t. Right, the next word I would like to write is the word will. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Did you get it the same as me? W-I-L. Well done. Remember, tick it if you have got it the same. If not, just write it again. That's fine. And the final word, can you think of the one that's missing? That's right, it's this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So, th, I, s, this. Well done, children. So the sound we're going to learn today is the O sound. Now we've already done E, but this is O. So that's the E, but we're learning O today. So we're going to look at the same song. It says, see the donkey in its stall. E-O, E-O is its call. Don't forget to join in with the action.
Call.
Oh.
See the donkey in its stall. E-or is its call.
Play it one more time.
See the donkey in its stall. E-or is its call.
So remember, children, it's O. Okay, so we're going to have a practice at writing that now. So if you look at my computer screen, it's already on there as O. So see if you can have a go at writing it. Look at my whiteboard now. And we're going to start at the top. We're going to go around in a circle and off. Then we're going to go down, up and over, off. Round in a circle for the O. And then down, up and curve it round, off. See if you can have a go at doing a row of them. Don't forget to leave your finger space after each one. And it's a digraph O. It's an O and a R. So let's have a look at reading some of these words. What's this, children? That's right, it's a fork. So here we have the word fork. F-O-K, fork. There's the digraph in the middle. Now this, children, is a storm. You ready? S-T-O-M. Let me make that a bit longer so we know it's a digraph in the middle. And here, look, we've got a little chicken being born. So B-O-N, born. And here we have a stalk. S-T-O-K. Now, I'm going to sound talk them. You tell me which I'm talking about. Are you ready? So, S-T-O-M. That's right. It's storm. You ready? Stalk. Stalk. There it is. Stalk. B-O-N. That's right. Born. And this, what's the last one? Fork. Fork. Well done. Good listening. Now let's have a read of these words. Are we ready? B-O-N. born. Which picture is for the word born? That's right. Here's the chicken being born. Let's read this one. Sport. Sport. Which picture is it, children? That's right. It's here. Let's sound talk this word. T-or-ch. Torch. Which one's the torch? Well done. And this one, b-or-n. H-or-n. H-or-n. Right, well done. Okay, children, you can also have a horn on the billy goat. But that picture is for horn. H-or-n. Right, let's read the sentence. Are you ready? I can see the storm. And here it is. Can you see it? I can. Can you? Yes. I can see the storm. How many words in our sentence? That's right. There's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can see the storm. Oh no, what's happened to my sentence? Can you help me, children? What's the first word? That's right, it's I. I. And the next word is can. What's the next word, children? That's right, see? Well done. You are really helping me today. What's the next word? The. And what's the final word? Storm. So I can see the storm. And it's got a full stop at the end. And we started with a capital letter and we've got finger spaces after each word. So I can see the storm. Right, your turn now, children, to write that sentence. I can see the storm. 5 words. And let's have a look at this sentence, children. Are you ready? The car, K-R, has a horn. Horn. So let's have a look. The car has a horn. So what's this, children? A helicopter. It's not that picture, is it? Because in the sentence it says the car. So it can't be that one. Cross it out. It's not that one. Now, what about this one? Is it this one? No, because that's a bus. It's not that one. So the car. Now, let's double check. Has it got a horn? Yes, it has. Here it is. Well done. It is that one. So the car has a horn. Right, children. See if you can have a go at writing some sentences with some words with or in them. You can use mine or challenge you to find some others. Bye-bye.